Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are well. I am also fine. Today I will show you how you can create a Facebook business page from your smartphone. So let's see how you can create a Facebook business page from your smartphone. At first you need to open the Facebook app, then you need to tap on the three dashed icon on the top right corner of the display. Then you need to tap on pages. Then you will see create page with a plus icon. You need to tap on the create page icon. Then you will be asked to enter your page name. I am entering that my page. You need to enter your page name. Then you need to tap on the next button. Then you will be asked to enter a category. You can add up to 3 categories in this section. For me, I am choosing health and beauty. Then you need to tap on create button. It's taking some time. Look, my page has been created. Now it is asking to finish setting up your page. Now you will be asked to enter a website. If you have a website, you can add the link of the website in this section. Then you will be asked to add your location. Here you need to add your address, zip code. If you want to enter your website address and location, you can, but you can also skip this section by tapping on the next button. Now in this page you are requested to customize your page. You can upload a profile picture and you are also asked to add a cover photo of your page. You can also skip this by tapping on the next button. Now you are notified that the page notification on your profile. That means all the notifications of your page will show in your Facebook profile. I am keeping the option on so that I can be notified all the activities of my Facebook business page. Now you need to tap on done. So guys, that's it. My Facebook business page has been created. Look how it is. You can customize it to look better. Please like the tutorial and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.